Do you want a PC? Do you want to start streaming? Do you want to start recording videos? Do you want your setup to look like this? Stay tuned, watch this video, and I'm going to show you everything that I bought in setting up this whole process. This is going to be a lot of work, but we're going to try to get this done quickly. What's good, YouTube? Alex from the Cam, back here with another video. I want you guys to take a quick look at all the shit that I have in the back. As you guys can see in the title and in the back of me, I bought myself a whole streaming setup, and I'm going to take you guys along the journey of me building it and setting it all up. You guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join the crew. You already know what to do, baby boo, shoot, ooh. Let's get right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. This is the old setup. Very small, very basic, and very cheap. This desk is maybe a $25 desk. If I bump into it at all while I'm filming, the camera shakes, everything shakes, and I'm just tapping it, as you guys can see. And we got an old monitor right here that I don't even use. So we're gonna throw that out. We got this old little ring light that I might still use, and I'll upgrade it soon. And then we have my MacBook that I won't be using anymore really, unless like if I need to use it. And I'm gonna still keep my gaming chair, but everything else is going. Enough talking, let's start unboxing.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games.
Alright chat, so I finally got my stream set up and it looks absolutely amazing, honestly. Like, I already got my background set up. Boom. I got the YouTube set up, ring light. We got the dual monitors right here. Got the desk set up. And I did not know that my PC was gonna come with a keyboard and a mouse. I wanna show you guys. I did not know it was gonna come with a mouse, so I literally bought this for no reason. I haven't even opened it. I don't even know if this is better. You guys let me know. Oh shit, I'm showing my whole closet. Bucket. You guys let me know if I should use this one or take it back. Or if I should do a giveaway. Let me know, depending on how many people see this video. I got everything set up. This is my computer that I edit on. I'm still gonna be editing my streams on my Mac probably. Everything that I need, I have it. It's a really nice setup, yo, I'm not gonna lie. I love the look at night. Doesn't it look beautiful in my room? We will be making a Twitch account very soon so I can possibly start streaming and reacting to videos, because once again, I am a reaction channel, okay? But if there's any Twitch people that want to actually subscribe to my Twitch when I actually make one, all you guys got to put is W setup, W streaming setup, and I'll know, okay? That was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was me basically setting up my beginner streaming setup, and it came out amazing. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me I did not snap. I got everything. I got everything here, and it looks amazing. W setup, W setup. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join the crew. You already know what to do, Big Bush. Ooh. More videos on the way, y'all. Y'all should already know this. More videos on the way. We grinding 2026. Let's go.
When you close,